everybody! So today we're going to do a mandala, and I'm going to try to show you how to use a mandala if you don't have a compass. If you do have a compass, you're welcome to use one. If you have one like this, you hold this down in the center on a dot, and then you put your pencil in one of these holes, and you can move this up and down to where you want it. So the easiest way to do a mandala is to have a square piece of paper. So to get your paper square, if you have a copy paper, if you don't have a ruler or you don't want to measure, is to fold your paper on the diagonal. So you have like this, okay? You want it to be flat here and creased here. So then you're just going to cut this extra part off. When you do a mandala, you want to find the center point of your square piece of paper. So once you have this diagonal, fold your paper the other way so that you get the other diagonal, and then you have your center point. You see that? So I want to get the other crossbars in there too, sort of like the plus sign, so that your paper will be divided equally 8 times. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal quadrants, and you still have that point in the middle. So then collect some things around your house that are circles, and you can just use them to draw on your paper. So use the smallest first. I got a roll of thread, and I put that using my pencil through it. I put my pencil on it right on the midpoint, held it there, and took another pencil and traced around it. So then you keep going until you get the biggest circle that you can fit on your paper. I would suggest like a plate, maybe, if you have a plate, or the top of a circle leftover container from the kitchen, something like that. So then you're gonna have several circles. I would like you to do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start from the center and use the guidelines of the folds that you made on your paper. Do you see how with this light green one, I find the center point of this line here, which is right here. And then I go from this crease, making that shape, and then from this crease, making that shape. And then I use the divisions on the paper to go around. I did the same thing in each one. So whatever my design was, I used the midpoint of the space between the two folds and stopped there. And then I used the fold here and the fold here. That will get you an equal amount of design all the way around. I didn't finish mine, but I just started coloring it in. Make sure you do a level 4 job coloring, use beautiful colors, do a different design for each row, and I hope that you have a ton of fun making your mandala. I hope it's really relaxing. One of the things I hope you noticed in the Tibetan mandala video is how just kind of soothing and relaxing it can be to make a mandala. And I can't wait to see your designs. Have fun.